This is like the first English castle on this channel. All the others I've done up to now have been in Wales, Welsh castles, but this is the first English one. I just wandered in. Nobody stopped me so far. No, I'm not going to put my head through it. Hey folks, in this video we're going to be looking round Whittington Castle, which is like a castle about 10 miles, maybe less than that, east of Oswestry. I've only learnt of its existence like a few weeks ago, and judging by the pictures it looks like a cool castle to have a wander around. Judging from the photos, it looks like it's in like 3 sections, like a really old prehistoric section, a more modern section, and an even more modern section, which is much more intact. So it looks pretty cool. But first, we need to stop at a shop to get a drink. I got a Rockstar and Doritos. Right, we've parked the car. £3 for like until like 11:30 at night is pretty cheap. It's like about 3 o'clock now. That's pretty good value. I think the main entrance, the front of the castle, is like around there somewhere. So we're gonna have a wander around the front. Whittington Castle. Just occurred to me on the drive here, this is like the first English castle on this channel. All the others I've done up to now have been in Wales, Welsh castles, but this is the first English one. It would seem that you don't have to pay. When I saw the cafe and the buildings over there, I was thinking they could ask me for a ticket, but I just wandered in. Nobody stopped me so far. I think that was like initially what was here, like the prehistoric, built up a mound and then built their wooden structure on top of there. And in later years built this out of stone. Imagine that went a lot deeper. I think that was a well. Yeah, that's probably what it used to look like. That mound over there used to look like that, the mound and the wooden structure on top of it. And there's the entrance we just walked through, much more modern. (1100). Protect the English border from the Welsh fighters. Wow. Just touch. Imagine they've put this floor in here just so you can stand on it. I reckon they probably went a lot lower than this. By spiral staircases that have worn away over the years. Don't know if you can see anything there, just lots of beer cans down there. Yeah, I want to look over there. How do I get down there? This is the medieval hot tub. Now it's where you a bigger well, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, it actually slides up. No, I'm not going to put my head through it. Yeah, you can see here there's the normal ground level, and they've dug it, a trench there, then built it up here, and this is where the castle would have been. I'm not sure where this bit area is, maybe it was over there. I don't know. It doesn't seem that big though, like the land up here. So the building must have been quite small. It's only like this bit here. Do you risk it and go down here? Now there's people watching. I don't want to step on my ass. So they built this first, then looks like that bit came next. And the modern bit, which they've put a cafe on, is the very modern bit there, the entrance where we came in. Then you've got a pub there, a pub across the road there, and another pub across there. So you're well catered for drinks if you want to come around here and wander around yourself. And it's free as well, which is pretty cool. Should we have a wander down here? Stay there, soldiers. I'll just come pop down and have a chat with you. Let's have a drink and settle our differences. Oh, this is a car park because it says pay and stay over there. Huh. Wow. Considering this is free, this is pretty cool. it looks cool in the photos, but often when you go to castles, it looks cool in the photos, and when you get here, there's just a mound of rubble, and it's like they just shot it, so it looks cool. But this is great. See, there's the entrance where we came through, just where the cafe is there. Wow. Dead pigeon there. So that's it, guys. Quick wander around Whittington Castle near Oswestry. Thanks very much for watching. It's free to visit this place in Whittington, so it's pretty cool. I highly recommend coming to wander around here. And like I say, thanks very much for watching.